Hi, so in this chapter we will learn about how to filter the array in NumPy. NumPy array filter. Okay, look, getting some element out of an existing array and creating a new array out of them is actually called filtering in NumPy. Okay, and in NumPy we can use a filter an array using the Boolean index list. So what is a Boolean index list? Boolean index list is actually a list of Boolean corresponding to the indexes in the arrays. I'll tell you with an example, don't worry. Okay, like just suppose if you have the value at an index which is true, means in Boolean format, that the element contained in the filtered array, and if the value at the index is false, then the element is executed from the filtered array. Let me tell you an example. Let's first create an array from the element, okay, on, let's say, index 0 and 2. First what we will do, we will import numpy as np. We'll create an alias, right? Then what we will do, sharad is equal to, let's say, we will use a Boolean over here. Okay, so let's first create np dot array. Okay, and then let me give some values, like let's say 41, 42, 42, 43, let's say 44. Okay, now we have 4 values in the sharad, right? So if I'll give a Boolean like x is equal to, let's say first one will be true, okay, second one let's say will be false, third is also true, and fourth is false. We have given a value, we are now comparing, right? And if I'll take sharad new is equal to, let's say, sharad and x, what I am doing, I am comparing, I am denoting, I am giving the value, I am informing the sharad that you need to relate or correlate between x. And if I'll print this, print what? Sharad new. So what is happening? Okay, wait, what happened? Okay, here the problem is nd array object not callable. Actually we need to give like an index. I forgot. This one. Okay, if I'll run this, you can see 41 and 43. Why? Because the new array, it contains only the value where the filter array had a value true. Okay, and in this case index number 0, which is 41, and index number 2, which is 43, is true, and other rest are false. So 42 and 44 is not printed, only 41 and 43 printed, because they both are true. Okay, so if you will use filter, always remember this. But the thing is, how we can create and filter array. What I created, let me show you. Creating the filter array. We'll do the same. Okay, sharad np dot array, and here what we will do, 41, 42, 43, 44, we will do the same example. Okay, first what we will do, we will create an empty list. Create an empty list. CREAT. I apologize for my spelling. So let's say sharad filter. I put it F at the last for filtering, right? Just a variable for understanding. And here what I'll do, I'll give an empty list. Means list is empty now, no values. Okay. Now what we will do, we will go through each element in the array by using the for loop. So for this, for let's say I in Sharad, we have seen this thing in last, okay, and the condition would be if the element is higher than 42, then it will set the value to true, otherwise false. Okay, so if I is greater than 42, then what is happening, Sharad F means this empty list will get filled, so it will append. We have seen the append in the previous last chapters, right? Then it will append and it will, what value will be inserted? The value inserted will be true. It will insert the true value if the condition means if I is greater than 42, or what, or else else it will false. So what I'll write here, else Sharad F, right, dot append, and what will be the value? Value will be false, FALSE. Understood? And what we will do, then we will create a Sharad new, okay, and then I'll put Sharad with Sharad F. What we did here in this, we have created an X value. This is Sharad F now, right? And means Sharad and Sharad F. What we did here, Sharad and Sharad F. Don't get confused. Okay, try to see the video again and again. Try to grab the concept what I am trying to tell you. Then you don't need to do anything, just print it. Print what? Sharad. First I'll print Sharad F so that you could understand. Okay, and then let me print Sharad new. Okay, both the condition, if you will see, then you will understand what is happening here. Look, false, false, true, true, because it appended, I told Sharad F, it is what an empty list, right? Now it is not empty. Now it is filled with the conditions what I have given with the for loop. It is checking 41 is not big, not higher than 42. That's the reason it returned false. 42 is not higher than 42, then again false. 43 is higher than 42, then true. Then 44 is again higher than 42, and then true. What we have given here. And then I denoted it. So 43 and 44. I told you filter array will give you the output where the condition will be true. So the true, it will give me the outputs of true only, 43 and 44. Much simple, right? Very much simple. So hope you guys understood this thing. It is very simple. Try to focus on what I am telling you and you will get the result. Array filter is very much used in machine learning and artificial intelligence for getting the proper output. So you must understand the concept, and in the live project we will implement this so that you could see how it is happening in the live example, real life projects, right? But for now, understand it by watching the video again and again, and still if you facing any confusion, let me know via comment. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.